I swear.
You're such a liar. The only reason I haven't shot you is because I can't imagine Darren making both of us, like, making you a terrorist again.
So it's either you or me.
No, it's not. We're done, isn't it?
No, it's not done until the...
It's Killer Bunny here. Today, I'm going to bring you a special game of Airsoft TTT that I recorded with my team Overwatch 6 at Panther Airsoft. If you're not sure what Airsoft TTT is, it stands for Trouble in Terrorist Town, and it is a game where the goal is for the detective and innocents to survive while the terrorists win if they eliminate everyone. We played with one detective who starts with a pistol and has the ability to search everyone, as well as 2 to 3 terrorists who are only known to each other and start with a concealed knife. Scattered in the field is a bunch of fake money that anyone can use to purchase a gun.
Yeah, make sure you drop your knife. Don't be an ass.
Dude, I need a gun.
If I get stabbed, I will scream.
Dude, can somebody run with me so I don't get stabbed in the back?
We're finding money. Go! Victoria! Victoria!
You don't have to.
Go!
Don't stab me! Rainbow, if you stab me, that'd be so bad. That'd be so epic.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, who's the cop? Will! Darren.
Yeah, 400.
I want
800.
400?
Yeah, 400.
I want my side blue.
That's not your side blue.
What? Which one is this?
That's the 1911.
Okay, go get more money. Go get more money.
Fuck! That guy!
Okay. Will! There's a dead guy. Will! Stop! Search me! Will, search me!
Really? Stop moving, bro.
Will, can you search me, please?
Hey, I don't trust you. I'm the detective.
He's the detective.
I'm the detective here.
He's the only one you can trust.
Put your gun in the air. Will.
You can ask me. Will.
Gun in the air right now.
You can ask. I have nothing.
Will. There's like 5 dead bodies.
Can we line up together? If you're a terrorist, kill me last, okay? Raymond!
Get back. There's like 4 dead bodies over here.
What?
All right.
Raymond's the only one around.
All right.
Okay.
I'm hoping.
No, we just got checked.
I'll trust you.
Literally, like. Christian, you look sus as hell. Just kidding. Are you dead?
Is this
Wait, I have. Where is he? Where's that piece up with the white shirt?
Who?
The white shirt guy. He has a pistol and a bunch of money, meaning he stole money off of people he killed. Yeah. Oh, he's just really rich. Yeah, kill the white shirt guy.
I don't have aim. Shoot him!
Straight up.
Will, that guy. Oreo, shoot him.
He killed people.
Oreo, shoot him.
Shoot him.
Shoot him. Just do it.
He stole money.
Do it. I won't shoot you. Justin, you have to shoot him.
He
Shoot
stole
him.
money from people he killed.
Shoot him.
Here.
Shoot him.
Yo, did you give me the money and we'll be fine.
Shoot him.
Did
Shoot
you find the
Shoot
somebody?
him. Oh, is.
Whoa.
Give him the gun. Get the money.
Whoa.
That was done.
Somebody asked him.
They said, Will's the detective.
detective has to ask him.
Where is it? Oh, wait. We just did that with the detective not here.
That's okay.
Guys.
We have 4 witnesses.
We
You're
have
dead.
4 witnesses, but we also have 4 treason victims.
No, he's dead. We shot him.
Yeah,
You're dead.
We have 4 treason victims here.
Get.
Yo,
Yo, dude.
where's the detective?
What?
Where's the detective? Oh shit, he died.
Oh my God. Where's the detective? Will, where?
Wait, why can't they be like, the detective's like, who killed you?
The 4 of us, they thought he was a terrorist.
Kashan, who killed you?
Dude, he had a gun and like hundreds of dollars, so we think he stole it.
Oh.
I'm not dealing with that.
I don't know, I found 800 as soon as I got into kill house.
How'd you get 2 guns?
I got $800, so there's no ARs left.
Don't shoot me till the end. I died way too early last time. No. He's a terrorist.
Check it.
He's a terrorist.
I'm dead. I'm not a terrorist. I'm Mags out.
No.
Oh, was he not? Oh, fuck. He was good. Everyone, get back. Get back. Shoot him and him.
No. No. No, we told him. We saw. They said that he was there.
Get down.
Okay. Whoa, who's shooting? Ah! Who's shooting? Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Christian's shooting people!
Someone's terrorist.
He's shooting people! Don't shoot me.
Was someone chasing? Yeah, someone was chasing me.
Who was chasing you?
Huh? He's green, but he has no body armor on. Whoa! Whoa! What? Whoa!
You said green with no body armor. I took him out. He's out.
No, like.
I've been here the whole game.
He's got a booty hat. He's got a booty hat.
You said that it was the guy with green with no body armor.
He's just already aiming.
Take your gun. Raven, I got you a gun. Is somebody shooting?
You just shot somebody.
Well, because they said he's a terrorist. Don't shoot me.
Okay. Oh, I thought Raven was holding two. I've literally been here the whole game.
No! They're like the guy in green with no body armor. Listen, I died too fast in the other games. Christian, don't shoot. It makes me think someone's shooting me. Are you terrorist again?
No, I'm not.
I'm not.
Holster your gun, Veronica. Never trust anyone.
I don't know how to holster it.
What do you mean?
Quickly. I won't be able to pull it quickly.
Go.
Wait. Raven, don't let me die. Don't let me die.
Veronica, I'm watching that.
Dude, who's the terrorist? They're like wiping people out.
Maybe you'll get one right.
Oh my god.
Kill all your friends.
Christian, are you playing?
No,
He's dead. He's dead.
Raven, if you kill me, I just gave you a gun. You have to make sure you kill everyone innocent first.
Sorry.
You hit somebody?
Yeah.
Will, are you still alive?
He was blending on the back.
Will!
Sorry.
You're not dead.
Is Will alive? Raven and I are safe.
Will's the detective.
Let's go. We have to go do something, Raven.
There's one guy in the bush, by the way.
Which bush?
Way far over there.
Where?
Not over there, but I wouldn't go over there.
Let's go.
Sure?
Is somebody keep thinking, Christian. Shh, let's go.
Hey, Aurelio. You good? Good, bro? Okay, go. Keep going, bro. There's so many people in green here.
There's someone behind the rip yellow barrel. Show yourself. Get out.
Hey, Justin. You good?
There's somebody inside the kill house. Behind the barrel, they're hiding. They're crouched down in there.
Aurelio.
Dude, Raven, if you shoot me
man.
in the ass, I'll be so mad, Raven.
There's one guy in the bush down there.
Go down there and kill him. I won't shoot you. I'm not the terrorist. Somebody's coming. No.
We're good. We have guns. We're good.
I think he moved. We have to move or we're sitting ducks.
Oh, shit. It's free.
Where is he?
It's free. I fucking told you guys.
Where is he? Raven?
Yeah.
Are you a terrorist?
No, I'm not.
Tell me now.
I'm not, Veronica. You searched me.
No, I didn't.
What?
You didn't search me. I mean, I didn't search you. But let's go kill the other one.
Shoot him.
Where are they? Don't shoot me in the back, Raven.
Just go that way.
Fuck, no, you go. We're splitting up now. I don't trust you. We're splitting up.
I don't want to split up, Veronica, because I don't want to lose sight of you. Just keep moving with me.
I'm not the terrorist. Fine. Move.
Uh-oh.
Was that you?
No, that was, Christian.
Where? Oh, fuck. Christian, stop shooting.
Christian was dead.
He is. He's just practicing. Dude, if you're gonna, can you at least do it from further away if you're gonna shoot me? Are you a terrorist, Raven?
No, I'm not.
Well, then go in there and find them.
Are you a terrorist?
No! Trust me, Darren knows I can't run that fast for 2 games.
I don't know where Ray is. Veronica, on your left, on your left.
You or someone else? Raven, I'm here. Where are you? There's some. I heard it over there. That wasn't me. Ah! Straight ahead. What? Are you a terrorist? Are you a terrorist? Well, did we win then? Darren, did we win? I don't trust Raven.
How many terrorists you got?
I don't know. Are you a terrorist?
I am.
How many do we get? Are you a terrorist, Raven? Is he a fucking terrorist? Okay, Darren, is anyone else alive?
Everybody else is dead.
That means the game's not over because you're a fucking terrorist, Raven. Come back here. Wait, did you hear that?
Yeah, on this side.
Go. You investigate first this time.
Huh?
You go first this time. Shit.
Veronica, stay on my side. Veronica, to your right.
Raven. I think. Where are they? Where are they? I'm scared. Ah!
Veronica, I'm right behind you, by the way.
Are you dead? What? I don't know. Is it game?
Is he dead?
Darren, is it game? Who else is alive? Raven, fuck, man, if you kill me.
Veronica, I swear.
You're such a liar. The only reason I haven't shot you is because I can't imagine Darren making both of us, like, making you a terrorist again.
So it's either you or me.
No, it's not. We're done, isn't it?
No, it's not done until the...
Yeah, Oscar. Yes, I bet you have.
Come here, Raven. I'm out! Ah! Okay, I'm hit. That's it for the first game. With only Raven and I left, each of us thought the other was a terrorist. The innocents did end up winning, though. And in this next game, I'm actually a terrorist myself.
On me. Ah, you motherfucker.
No, not... okay.
All right.
Okay, can we go get the money? I need a gun this time.
Only the detective is allowed to search people.
Everybody give their money to Killer Bunny. She needs content.
Yeah.
Why are you starting so far away? I didn't know we were all starting so close. Oh, sorry. Ready? Set, go!
Raven, come and protect me! Where's Raven? Oh my God, I found money! I have money, Will. Or, do you want money? I have money if you protect me.
Yeah, how much?
200.
200?
Wait, Raven, I told Raven I'd get... Raven, you gotta come protect me! I have money!
Veronica, you got money? No!
shot me too, though. I don't know if that counts.
No, you didn't. I missed.
What?
Oh shit!
What?
I missed you.
Alright.
It went right under your armpit. I'll take your money.
Okay.
That was funny. I saw his arm just extend out from the corner.
Let me search you first.
Oh, that was wonderful.
So the Innocents won that game as well. We actually played 4 games total that day. Comment down below if you want to see the other 2 games and I'll create a new video of them. It was so much fun playing with Overwatch 6 and I look forward to playing this game again. Thanks to Panther Airsoft for letting us play our private game. And please subscribe to see more of my content. Thanks so much for watching.